Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Welcome back to our second episode of the mini contest giving a tutorial. Today we will continue the mini contest. So without any further ado, I will just call our first participant for today's episode, which will be Raja. For Raja, you may come forward and present your tutorial.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain, amma ba'd. Okay, today I wanna tell you how to make this brown sugar milk by Tengkara Space. So you must recipe. You need 250 grams of instant boba, and then 213 grams brown sugar, and then 188 ml of drinking water, and then the last 1 glass of cow's milk. After that, how to do it? First, you must cook instant boba according to the instruction on the packaging prepared in a bowl. The second, brown sugar syrup. Prepare a clean baking dish. Add brown sugar and water. Stir until boiling over high heat. Reduce the heat and let it bubble. If the texture has thickened, leave it to cool. The next, pour the brown sugar syrup into a bowl and let it reach room temperature. You can store it in the refrigerator overnight. And next, serve. Pour half of the brown sugar syrup into a bottle. Pour from the side of the glass. And then the next, take the cooked boba and put in a glass. And then using a cocktail shaker, combine the milk and a tablespoon spoon of brown sugar syrup. You can use the amount according to your taste. Fill with ice cubes, then shake until frothy or according to taste. And then the last, pour into serving glasses, serve and enjoy for this special drink. I think that's all for me. Thank you for attention. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so for make it, you just bring 1 glass, and then you tuang sirup, but what? Put in syrup brown sugar. After that, you put boba also. After that, you take ice cube. You put in glass. After that, you put milk for full in glass, just like that. Okay, thank you for attention. Akhirul kalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much for Raja for the tutorial on how to make brown sugar milk. So next participant will be Syed. For Syed, you may come forward.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in ala umur dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala ahlihi wa ashabihi ajmain, amma ba'du. Hello guys, my name is Syahid. So today I want explanation about how to operate mouse wireless and customize the function. Okay, now if the wireless, you can take the USB from your mouse and then connect to your device. And then don't forget to turn on your mouse. Okay, already. So now next is customize the function. Use Logitech G Hub because my mouse, the mark is Logitech. So this your mouse, you can change the DPI speed. There is 5. Yeah, there is the color also, and the lowest is 200 and the highest is 12,000. You can change that what you need, and then you can change the function also. Yeah, example, this I change this for tap. If I change to this from Control Z to close tab, we try this for new tab, this for close tab. Yeah, function. And maybe only that, but if you want the software, you can search in Google Logitech software. Okay, this. Nah, if you Windows, you can download for Windows. If you Mac, you can download for Mac. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if my explanation very short. I hope my explanation it can be beneficial for the Logitech users like Rifki. Okay. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much for Syed for the presentation. And now we will move on to the next participant, which will be Atar. For Atar, you may come forward.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, now on this mini contest giving a tutorial, I'm gonna show you a tutorial about how to make a paper plane. Okay, so as you can see, this is the regular paper plane that you used to make, but now I'm gonna make a different type of paper plane. So this is the tutorial. First, you get your paper in your hand, and you do like this. Make it diagonally, and then do it the same way but reverse, like this. After that, you flip like this in the center of the X. Then you press the center and do like this. After that, there will be like this, and then you flip again the top. Flip. And you fold and you fold like this the paper. And then you fold again, to make the wings and fold again. After that, you can see the paper plane, but we fold again. And last fold again. Okay, now so this is the paper plane. As you can see, it's have 4 wings, 1 2 3 4, and it can fly so smooth. You want see? Like this. So smooth. Okay, maybe that's my tutorial. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much Atar for the very cool tutorial on how to make paper airplane. So now the next participant will be Yasser. For Yasser, you may come forward.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Amma ba'du. Okay. In this occasion, I want to give you some tutorial about how to install Laravel framework for PHP. Okay, let's go see. What is Laravel? Laravel is an open source PHP framework and contains basic modules to optimize PHP perform in web application development, especially since PHP is a dynamic program language, and Laravel here can add to make website development first safe and simple. Okay. The stage there is, first you must open Chrome and open Laravel website and copy link. The stage. Okay. Stage 1 is copy link. You can see here. Composer create project Laravel, strip Laravel, example PHP. You can copy this link, and after that you can go to your file and click right, or use 2 finger in MacBook, and after that you click new terminal at folder. And next, open your terminal like this, and if in MacBook, and put link in terminal like this. There is composer, create project Laravel, strip Laravel, example PHP, example app. Okay, press enter like this. This process for downloading Laravel, and after that is if like this your Laravel is ready. You can use your Laravel. Okay. Why should you use Laravel? Because Laravel can make your work easy in backend problem. Example, create table, display the page, create function, and the other like that. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Syukran ala istimamikum wa ihtimamikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Yasser, for the tutorial. And the next participant will be Adrian. For Adrian, you may come forward and present your tutorial.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up, guys? How are you today? So, listen to me for a second here. Imagine you're a nerd and you want to get strong. See, this is you. And you're thinking of big muscle. So what do? Of course, you work out. Of course, you work out with barbells and dumbbells. And if you do this every single day, eventually, you'll be strong. As suggested by the picture. This is you! Congratulations. But as you can see, there is something missing here. This part. You have big arms, but you don't have like the wing look, the Doritos look, if you know what I mean. So, I'm going to present to you something. Just to be clear, this is not you and this is not you also. Yes. In here you can see there is a bit of a wing, you can say. Here. Let me just... This. So, today I am going to teach you how to grow lats. That muscle is named lats. If you don't know, that give you the wing look. So, you need first a pull-up bar, of course, to grow and activate the muscle. Second, you'll need yourself to be the ingredients. And the steps first you can do, of course, pull-ups. Stand directly underneath the pull-up bar, then jump to the bar with a dead hang. So you just dead hang and don't do like this, but like this. And then your feet should not touch the ground, so it should be hanging. And your grip should be overhand, like this, not like this. This is a chin-up. And you should have a wide grip with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders apart. So this is your shoulders and it'll be a bit wider. When you are ready, exhale and do a pull-up, and don't forget to activate your back muscle by doing this kind of thing, as you can see. This thing. Don't just like this, but like this. And it should activate your back muscle. But maybe you ask, how can I do it? How can I grow my lats if I could not do a single pull-up? Fear no more, my friend, because I got the steps just for you. So this is a step on how to build up to the pull-ups. So the first step that you can do, if you're a complete beginner, you can do a dead hang. And if you can hold for 10 seconds, you can continue it to a flex hang, which is just hanging on top of the bar. And if you can do it for more than 10 seconds, you can go to the next step, which is a negative pull-up. A negative pull-up is where you jump and then to the pull-up position and then slowly go back down, like that. If you can do 10 negative pull-ups, you should try some pull-ups. But if you still cannot do pull-ups, it's okay. You can work on it eventually until you can do some pull-ups. And remember, don't be like this guy. You can see it's too big. I don't like it. It's more like a shape, heart, than a Doritos. And yeah, if you do pull-ups every day, you can get the Doritos look, as you can see. Very cool, very nice, very good. And thank you. That's it for me. If you want to grow the Doritos back, you can do the steps that I just said. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much, Adrian, for the tutorial. And we're going to move on to the next participant, which will be Fadil. Yes? Okay, for Fadil, you may come forward and present your tutorial.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, mabadu. So, my name is Fadata Zarif, and in this occasion, I want to give you guys a short procedure text about how to become a better person. So, becoming a better person has some deep meanings and many meanings. Becoming a better person in life, in spirit, soul, and akhirat. But here, I'm just gonna show you some of how become a better person in general. So first, we have to think before we speak. Words can have a lot of actions to some people because people are not the same. Their emotions are controlled by only them and not by us. So say Adrian has a emotion of a needle. Say if it drops, yeah, it drops. And it doesn't sound much. So maybe if we say some critics to Adrian, he will only respond to okay, and then he will do it. But some people have an attitude of like a bee. Say if you only hit them like a flinch or maybe just a little slap in the back, they will get angry. So like words also. Maybe if we say to someone, some critics that are not harmful, but in their way it's harmful. Like, have you ever felt told an inappropriate joke or called someone something and then they felt pretty bad? They felt like, oh, why did he say that? I'm disappointed. I'm a bit down now after he said that. Now we have to take an extra second to think about what we have to say next. Second is use your strength. Not strength as in how you pull up, how you lift barbell, is about your skills and talents. How you do with your life. Say you have a talent in coding, so you might share your experience, use your strength and help people with your coding skills. Or if you have skills on how to play the guitar, share with others. It will bring joy and it will bring joy to you and the people in your life. Next is be your hero. Now, I don't mean hero like Superman, where you have to fly, save people from buildings or when there's a fire, but maybe as in like helping an elderly with the groceries or crossing the street, maybe help someone buy their coffee in the morning or opening doors for other people. Or in Islam, you can just say salam or be kind to people, giving money or give food to people. It doesn't need to be a big amount. It can only be a small amount. Next is forgive yourself and others. We are humans. We all make mistakes, and we cannot blame others when they make mistake because we also do. Instead of devoting your energy holding on to the mistake or feeling guilty, forgive that individual or yourself and focus on the future. So move on and just forget it because that's in the past and we must focus on the future. And this is be yourself. That's the last one. Be yourself. Just because someone said you have to be like Arnold doesn't mean you have to be exactly like Arnold. You can be the next closest thing to Arnold, but not quite as Arnold. You can have the big muscles, you can have the strong stamina, but then again, when someone tells you to be like someone else, you cannot be like someone else. You can only be yourself. Okay? And the conclusion is, let's start to become a better person for ourselves and other people, for the future, for our world, and for akhirat. I think that is all from me. My name is Fadata Zarif. I'm sorry if I made mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much, Fadil. And we'll move on to the next participant, which will be Azam. For Azam, he may come forward and present your tutorial.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azam Al-Zakwan. Okay, in this mini contest I will show you how to make Indomie. The equipment, there's Indomie, pan, water, maybe around 200 milliliter, plate and fork or spoon. The first one, open the Indomie wrapper and spread it from the spices. Okay, and boils water until it boils first. After water boils, put the noodles into the boiling water around 2 until 3 minutes. Open the spices and put them in the plate. And take your noodle from the pan and drain the water and put the noodles to the plate and mix noodle and the spices, and then the noodles are ready to be served. Okay, thank you. This is all for me. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, thank you very much, Azam, for the tutorial. Now we will move on to the next participant, which will be Ageng. For Ageng, you may come forward.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Shalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain, amma ba'du. Okay guys, in this occasion I want to persuade you about how to change logos application in MacBook. Okay, if you can see in here, this in MacBook is Kamus, right? Nah, but inside is Opera. Nah, this I wanna tell you how to change the logo. Okay, the first in here I want change the WhatsApp logo. So after that you getting info. So we change the WhatsApp logo become what this lacak. So we put in here. So now that's already changed the logos WhatsApp. And if you wanna change the name, you just change the name become WhatsApp again. Nah, that's how to change the logos in MacBook, logos application in MacBook. Okay, maybe just this for me, and I'm sorry for my mistakes. What?
How to change it into default?
Default?
Default.
The previous one.
The previous one. How to change it into the previous one?
Cannot, sir.
Cannot.
Can if you have the logo, have the logos.
Download WhatsApp logo.
Yes.
Press it.
Yes.
And the previous logo just disappear.
Yes.
Okay. I will check your application.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Ageng, for the tutorial. And we will now move on to the next participant, which will be Zikri. For Zikri, you may come forward and present your tutorial.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So today I'm going to tell you procedure text. It's about how to fishing in the sea. So for the judges, I need your attention. Let me win for this mini contest. So why I pick this title? Because my friend Shitki always sleep and always consume drug. So let me tell him to take some exercise, and then he choose fishing, but he doesn't know how to fish and what he need. So the first you have to prepare the materials. It's such as fishing rod, hook, string, fishing net, bucket, and feed. The feeds you can choose by yourself. It's not only this feed. And then after you all get the materials or the yes, material. So the next, you have to go to the sea because we will fish in the sea. So we go to the sea. This is a sea. So if you want to just fishing in the river, you go to the river. Okay, let's next. And the main ways it's waiting or be patient, because in the fishing there is no a special way how get a fish. So just put your fishing rod and then wait until the fish take your feet. According to Google, fishing also can try our passion if it's not only when we are waiting, it's also when we are not getting a fish while fishing. So in conclusion, in conclusion, there are three ways. The first is prepare the necessary item, find a place, and cast the fishing rod. And the last, it's wait or be patient. So now my friend Shitki knows how to fish in the sea, and he is happy now. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry guys if I have many mistake. So the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much Zikri for the tutorial. Now we'll move on to the next participant, which will be Hijri. For Hijri, you may come forward and present your tutorial.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this occasion I will give you tutorial how to make a milk. Okay, first prepare the ingredient. First you must have a tea bags, a mug, and sugar and water, hot water. And then place the tea bag into your mug and boil the hot water, and then forget the sugar. And then brew the tea for a moment, and then enjoy it. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlil fala hadiyalah. Okay guys, my name is Muhammad Hijri, and today I would like to give you how to make a milk. Okay. The first, we must prepare the ingredient like tea bags, mug, sugar, and water. And then place the tea bag into your mug and boil the water, and don't forget the sugar. Okay, after that we brew the tea for a moment, and then already enjoy it guys. Okay, milk tea is can make you patient. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much Hijri for the tutorial. Now we'll move on to the next participant, which will be Darda. For Darda, you may come forward and present your tutorial.
Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this occasion, I'm going to tell you how to wash your face well. Before we start, I will ask you guys, why we must face our why we must wash our face? Anyone can answer my question? What?
To be glowing up.
Yeah, that's right.
We have to take care with our face. Allah has given us face and we must keep it. So this occasion I will tell you how to wash your face well. So the first thing you need to have is face wash. So I recommend to you the face wash is the face wash from Ustra. You can buy it. Okay, next, make sure your hands are clean. Why? Imagine guys, your hands are dirty. Do you want to touch your face with your dirty hands? No. Yes. Why? It can make your face break out. So make sure your hands are clean. Next is pour some facial cleanser into your hand and rub it and apply on your face. Be soft and slowly in your face. Turn your hand at least 1 minute. If done, you can rinse well your face from the facial cleanser. And next is dry well. So you can dry your face with a special towel or tissue. And I think that's all from me. Thank you. From me, thank you. If I have any mistake, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much, Darda, for the tutorial. And that, everyone, was the last performance for today's mini contest. But before we close it, we will give some time for the judges to give their reaction and response to today's mini contest and how they have scored everyone, every participants. So for the judges, please.
Okay, now I'm the first for a gift. Oh yeah, for a gift, something to the speakers. And before that, I want to give salam first. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah.
Okay, for the first speakers, Bagas, for good reason you are already good, and when you give one hadith about the material you are presenting, maybe when presenting, don't focus too much on the laptop to read, and try to look at the jury and the audience. And for Cahyo, you provide a very complete and a quiet, clear tutorial, and this is quite good and when beginners want to learn about Figma. And for Atar delivery is good and his voice is clear, but when you give a tutorial, don't face the TV or back. It's better when you give a tutorial. Show the item you want to make. And for the Zikri, he gives an essential story and that is funny and interesting to watch, and his explanation are also good and clear. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Horasir Nawaf. I'm as judges for this mini contest. I want to give some correction or reaction for some students. First is Rifki. When you perform, mostly looking at laptop, and then your your voice is little. So I think you must make your voice louder. And then next is Raja. Also Raja mostly looking at laptop and then read, but Raja repeat his performance, and then yeah, I think that is better than before. And then for Yasir, good opening and good closing. And then less for eye contact. You may make eye contact to the audience more than before. And then next is Azam. Your voice is little also, so loud your voice, and then less eye contact to the audience, and then the performance I think is short. And then for the last is Hijri. I think your eye contact is already good, but your explanation is too short. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this day, I will, as a judges, I will do commenting or give a comment about all participants in this mini contest. For the first is Faiz. It's a good presentation by Faiz, very entertaining with the good pronouns. I can understand it well, but it's only that when opening. But in the second act starts, it's quiet, normal, but it's good presentation and well made presentation. And for Adrian, it's fun presentation, and like usual, of course, and it's different, of course, from other presentation. And for Ageng, it's a good presentation, but to rush in second act. But it's quite enjoyable to hear. And for Darda, it's nice presentation, it's fun. I appreciate your eye contact and gesture. And that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much for the judges for giving their responses. And so maybe that is the end of our mini contest today, giving a tutorial. So maybe that is all from me. Thank you very much for all your attention. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.